We go start for front here.
So this one POP suspended why they talk on my shop.
POP suspended.
You know they get the POP type, they get the waterproof type.
Okay, so POP type and waterproof type.
So this one, my mama can't contact me, so we can give them everything we do.
Yes.
So I can't supply the material. We can't bring person where they fix and wear on the side. So now what you do for you? So I bring the material.
Yes.
The person won't fix them. They do the solution. Now we do on the continual process.
Okay.
So round up. So this one the one we don't do for you. We don't do pure gold. Pure gold. This one as the person call your eye, you will say,
oh wow.
Pure gold. Very straight and firm. Oh, pure gold.
Yeah, no, pure gold as you talk.
Yes, sir. So you put like now, bring out the.
You bring out the beauty.
Yes. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Work on progress now. We'll put down for here, put down for the laundry and the toilets.
Yeah, the toilet.
The laundry.
Okay, your boy sit there on it.
They on it now.
Wow. Okay, you will see me for the other side.
Yes,
okay. In front of me, now the Oga Pata with this, we supply ICD to work. Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, people for the voice program.
Me go talk to you. So, my name is Sabuni. What is your name?
My name is Mr. Obina, also known as Mr. Water Collector. My company name is Anna Shoes Company Limited.
Okay, what are the work we want for you? Give the company where they represent Anna Shoe. Make it do for them. I come monitor for today. That is suspended POP ceiling board. So you're going to take me around the world, I don't finish, or you see stay on it. Before you take me around the world, Mr. Obina, what you will let our viewers patronize you to this our channel particularly, you want to give this very job.
I would say a big thank you for her for giving me this opportunity to supply this suspended ceiling. So we come to that solution, provide installation costs. Now say me they say, so I can't get people they fix them. Now I can't fix them for mama. And those who don't patronize me. Well, I say God will thank you now. God bless on our business, bless on our job, on our family, double promotion from our side. Amen.
Our viewer, I beg, make now visit our website. The link the on top of this video before you give any of our clients work. Make una still call our number. Our number is the on top of this video. Oga Obina. We will start for front here.
So this one POP suspended why they talk on my shop.
POP suspended.
You know they get the POP type, they get the waterproof type.
Okay, so POP type and waterproof type.
So this one, my mama can't contact me, so we can give them everything we do.
Yes.
So I can't supply the material. We can't bring person where they fix and wear on the side. So now what you do for you? So I bring the material.
Yes.
The person won't fix them. They do the solution. Now we do on the continual process.
Okay.
So round up. So this is the one we don't do for you. We don't do.
Okay, for this shoot out.
Yes.
Okay. More goodie. Okay, you know the parlor.
Yes, down at the parlor. So you see this parlor now. We use gold.
You come beside someone.
See design.
Okay.
So now this is white POP. Now we use for here. This white POP now we do for here. So this is now we use gold. See designer.
Okay, only gold design.
No. So now the same brother in B. And then the same price they pay now. Currently now for market is 36,000 naira.
Okay, for the carton of this.
Yes, this one. This one.
POP suspended
series, mostly white.
Okay.
It be like normal POP.
Yes.
Very, very neat and plumb. Very, very neat. And get the gold. If you design at 4, 8, depends on how you want to. You have like the way tiles before ground, the way they get decor.
Yeah.
So it's
now, so this one still before.
Yes.
Okay, we will see the
design. So you see this one as well as the suspended waterproof.
Okay, now this one be the suspended waterproof.
So I don't say they use gold. These are the suspended waterproof gold. So are the suspended waterproof white.
Okay.
Yes.
That is called Missam.
Just like this one now, you get for the white, for the POP type, you get for the gold.
Okay.
This one still gets its own. And this one they less cheaper than this one.
Okay, this one they cheaper than
this one.
This very
so in case your money not reach to do this type, you can do this pattern.
Okay.
Yes, it's very, very economical to use. And this one, the cut of this one is 20,000 naira.
Okay, 20,000 naira for the cut for the white.
For the white. White gold is 23,000 naira.
Okay,
for the white.
23,000 naira.
This one at 8 the inside.
Okay,
The original
eight.
one, like be this one. So the difference of 3,000 naira, the different one and this one. Okay. So this one, okay.
No, see now the.
The big, it's not the white all through.
Okay.
Yes, see, very be like now pure people for very sparking.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Mostly schedule.
The kitchen.
We go enter here.
Kitchen, yes. So the
Okay,
kitchen.
here the kitchen.
So the waterproof. So waterproof too. You see the food we put for the center. Very fine. Like decor. Even how people don't get this kind of design, you like them. So it's very, very fine. Those day round. You plump, round, everything solid. Iron nothing they hold on. Nothing they do like this. So very, very strong. Inside straight go down.
Exactly.
No bending, nothing.
Exactly. So you do anything for that?
Yes, for the kitchen veranda. And new white will come for you.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. This side. And also do this one too, but not be now. This one they'll do one later. You see they work on. Yes.
Okay, your boys they.
Yes, they guys
they work.
They work on.
Okay. So where you don't do, we go. You do here?
Yes, don't do this place. This one the kitchen store.
So on the kitchen store.
Yes.
Okay, now white.
White. Yeah. So most important places where you put now for the kitchen and
the
parlor and the dining. We won't use good design. Okay. And the rest now pure white.
Pure white. Okay. Yes, like it be like POP.
Yes, exactly. So this one now, see this one. This one is the rooms. One of the rooms. Use white.
Okay. Come back soon. So one of the room.
Yes.
All else is white.
Yes.
Wow. This are the how you call this one waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof. Oh yes, waterproof.
Even water enter this one, not the soak.
Not the soak at all.
Water
resistant kind. See the toilet of the room. Oh, yeah, it's one of the toilet. I'm going to say one of the toilets.
Okay,
yes, white can be used for everywhere.
Okay.
So I go to the master's bedroom. So I know call the person. I don't know. Yeah, the person will stay. See pure gold royal color. Pure gold. Pure gold. This one, as the person call you, I even say,
oh wow,
pure gold. Very straight and firm. Oh, pure gold.
Yeah, no, pure gold as you talk.
Yes, sir. So you put like now, bring out the.
You bring out the beauty.
Yes, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So, work on progress now. We'll put down for here, put down for the laundry and the toilets.
Yeah, the toilet.
The
laundry. Okay, your boy sit there on it.
They on it now.
Wow. Okay, you was sitting for the other side.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, this gold here. Now wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So my people, Mr. Obina and Ashuru company. So we now supply this POP suspended ceiling board and the one we call with cellophane, waterproof,
yes.
Water resistant.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So and let's see there on it.
Yeah, they see there on it.
They see there on it. Work is they go.
Yeah, go.
Maybe not tomorrow. Now not true for you.
Yes, tomorrow morning we do through with the job. They go through with the job. So I just call make I see with them. No say. At that time, I see me for shop say, this suspension, when I for they show and they see, they say I give for up. Okay. So I just come, and come call me. He come tell me say he want to one. So we come do the arrangements.
Yes.
Do the arrangements, then they do the person want to fix them. They go with the material and go the sites,
Okay. Now yeah, okay. Now the person when they say, now I'm supposed to buy from me, huh? Once they as they sell and buy, you go see give them workman. They buy from Mr. Obina, he say bring workman, see the work we do here. Oh, very neat work. Now the some when they sell your buy from they call it managed material. This one a company, enough in managed material. You see the work here? See the very see cartons when see day. Whenever see eat do all day for here. So Mr. Obina.
Yes, sir.
Like how much cost the madam need to do this work for?
Okay, the
when they buy and the fixing the price.
Okay, everything now. Waiting cost about this thing now. We see everything now. 1,850,000.
1,850,000.
So
the workman should be inside.
Workman should be inside.
Okay.
The transport, everything dey inside.
Okay.
Then the total cartons wey we use for here. Now the waterproof now 45 cartons.
Okay.
Now we use. Then the POP one and this one because this place very big, very big. Nobody imagine it like that. It's very big.
Okay.
So get on place because almost all the rooms we pass 12 by 12.
Big.
Even the toilet, everybody get their own master toilet for inside. Understand? It's too big. Even the kitchen big as well. So the POP type now we use, we come buy 18 cartons. Okay. Now we use. Then the waterproof we use 45 cartons.
Waterproof.
The 45 cartons.
Okay.
Yes, now we use for that. So the total money everything will cost for this place now 1,850,000.
Okay.
Yes.
Like once you supply and your boy wants to wait till the owner they provide for the site.
What to provide now just the table with person.
Okay, like this kind of table.
Yes, this table now.
Okay, then you provide.
Unlike people we say we use water, all those stuff. No, to that this
table. On the table.
Yes, on the table. He'll give you just that one.
Okay. What I see ask one question again concerning this suspended syllabus. Like POP now, once you knock POP for us, you know, fix silicon. Like this one, do you know people silicon for up here?
Yes, if you put silicon, now the electrician, what they do is they will cut down. Bring people come and guy will do it. You see them in my office.
Yes.
You see fan dey there. Understand? The guy will do it now highly technical electrician.
Okay.
Because when they cut down, bring and come and they get in the machine, they cut and bring it come and the fan go low because the hook will come stay for the wood.
Okay.
Fan come there, they have three people like say cover. Come rest for the thing there because they low. You don't get issue.
Okay.
Even channel light says
yes.
If you work channel light, you put channel light and that one way they do if you just put out for the hook there, bring and come out. Just like the way they do POP.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And once they fall, they blow, but you know go pull down.
No, pull down. Now it's you know you want them.
And once your body
every steady, they roll well safe.
Okay, without
no get any command. You see there, steady. And I want to hold on for up.
Okay, you call your phone number when I will be off the machine.
Okay, my number now 070-6978-6509.
Oh, no, nobody.
Yes, sir. 080-3388-4611.
My people, I create an opportunity to watch this video.